How to swap on OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on these dots. So here in your profile settings now, slowly scroll down until you find the option called OKX Wallet. Tap on OKX Wallet. So you'll be loaded into a different interface. Now here in the middle, you can see this trade button. Tap on trade. Now here you'll be able to see the option called swap. Simply tap on swap. So this is the section where you can swap between two of the stocks or the currencies. Here you can simply tap on this exchange button and you'll be able to know the rate and the value of it. So it is quite easy to know it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.